Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to add text in Krita. So if you would like to do it, you need to go to the left upper corner and you need to click on text tool. After that, you need to draw a rectangle on the layer or on the background, and then you will be able to type here a text. But before we will do it, you need to select font that you want to use. For example, I select here Arial. I can change font style to black, regular, bold, italic. So I select here, for example, bold. We can change font size here if you want. So I will increase it to 18th, and I can change the color. So for example, I will change it to green. So I select here green color, and then I type here a simple text. For example, I type here simple, and I click save button. Now I need to click close button, and how you see, text has been successfully added here. If you click on it, and you will go to transform layer or selection, you will be able to scale this text. So how you see, I can easily increase size of this text. Everything depends on your preferences. And of course you can move this text to other position. For example, I can move it here, I can move it there. So it is how it works. If I helped you to create text in Krita, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to let me know if it solved your problem.